Hi everyone, this is Cindy with Crafty the Heart, and I am back with a video. I am doing a Crafty Tag video. It's sponsored by Crafty Owl. Of all the information in the description box if this is something that you would like to participate in, so that you can link up and people can come visit your channel. So all I have in front of me are just some goodies. My daughter's been doing a lot of crafting in this space, much more crafting than I have, actually, because I've just been kind of taking some time off, and I'm probably going to be doing some big crafting in the next couple of weeks, get some things posted, and then I'm actually moving all my craft stuff into my spare bedroom. Right now it's in my regular bedroom, so that's why I kind of want to get involved with too much crafting. I don't want to have a lot of stuff out and then have to round it all up. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So basically it's 20 crafty questions. And so I'm going to try to get through them really quickly because I don't want this video to be super long. So the first question is, where does your channel name come from? So my channel name is Crafty with the Heart, and it comes from a time long ago when I was a close to my heart consultant. So Crafty with the Heart was an offshoot of that. What types of crafts does my channel focus on? It mostly focuses on card making. So, of course, if you follow my channel, you know that I do lots and lots of cards. I also do mini albums and other paper crafts as needed. So I have done like something like this, which is a Scrap to World project. And I use mostly rubber stamps and dies in my crafting. Let's see. Where else do you share creations online? I have a blog that I'm really been bad lately in updating. I usually only update it when I am going to be linking to, challenges and that sort of thing. How long have you been crafting? I've been crafting for over 20 years. Let's see. What is the first crafty I remember making was a birthday card, and I used a teddy bear stamp from, I believe it was Hero Arts. Let's see. What is your favorite type of craft? I like making cards. They're my favorite. And let's see. Which of your creations is currently your favorite? And I wish I had it in front of me, but I think I tried to put some things away. I've been making some journals. I'm actually a month behind now, but I've been making some journals. And so those have been my favorite projects just because they're more personal. So basically they're little junk journals, and then I just kind of scrap the month. And that's kind of the project I decided that I wanted to do for the year. But I have videos on my channel on that. What do I do with my finished projects? I do not sell them. I usually give them away, or if I make a project, like my journals that I make, I keep them. If I could learn a new craft or art, what would it be? It would probably be, a junk journal. I don't see the junk journal that I have been working on. So I'm kind of, I've got a art journal, and I've done a few things in it, but I feel like I'm not really art journaling. So anyway, I really would like to get better at that. Let's see. If I could learn, where do I create? Right now I'm creating in a corner in my master bedroom. My master bedroom is quite huge, actually. But I want to get this stuff out. It's hard for me to do things with it in here. So I want to move it to my spare bedroom. I actually have a spare bedroom that's really just like a junk room right now. So I'm going to spend the rest of my summer vacation cleaning it out and moving all this stuff into that room so that my bedroom could be strictly for bed. Okay, so that's kind of what that is. What would your ultimate craft space look like? Probably like Jennifer McGuire. So her space is pretty rockin' cool. Have I ever had any crafty accidents or mishaps? Probably just your basic stabbing myself with you know, with a little pokey tool, burning myself on my glue gun, nothing crazy. I don't have any funny crafty stories to share. My favorite drink and or snack to have while crafting would be hot tamales and coffee, and not necessarily together, but those are the things I like to snack on. Let's see. Do I watch or listen to anything while I craft? I usually have the TV on. So either something that I have, that I've DVR'd, or something to that effect is usually what I'm watching. My biggest craft purchase regret. Let's see. I had bought these chameleon pens, which I just never used. I really liked them in theory. So I still have them, and they're probably going to go into a D-stash. Let's see, what is my favorite craft purchase? I love my Cuttlebug. I use it daily. I still have my Big Shot, which I never use. And then I have my Spellbinders machine, which I do use. And I bought that one because it has a wider platform, so I can use wider dies in it. And I do use that one for any of my large dies, like the big dies from Sizzix. I don't like to put in my Cuttlebug because I don't want to put too much pressure on it. But the Cuttlebug is small. It fits right on my desktop. I love it. And I have the original green Cuttlebug, and it's awesome. Let's see. If you use one adhesive for your crafty projects, probably this art glitter glue. I actually love this stuff. I know a lot of people have been using it for a while. I have been resistant, but because I've been struggling still with my ATG gun, I've been turning to glue more. And this is my favorite one. So I really like this glue. Let's see. And if there's one crafter that you love to watch and follow, I'm going to say, because there's so many wonderful crafters, but I'm going to pick one that doesn't get a lot of love. That's Sabrina Kay, and I believe she's the Country Crafter. So I'm going to give her a little shout out, and hopefully I'll remember once I post this video to put a link to her channel. So I think she's fabulous and funny, and I love her accent. So cute. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys can follow along with everyone else who is doing this crafty tag, and maybe do your own crafty tag as well. Thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy with Create the Heart.